Welcome to the Computer Literacy Center's online instructional video about using keyboard shortcuts in Microsoft Word. Keyboard shortcuts let you perform actions like editing and saving documents with the keyboard, saving time and increasing productivity. My name is Cannon Christensen and I will guide you through this tutorial. In this video, you will organize a document with the cut, copy, and paste shortcuts, quickly undo changes with the undo shortcut, and efficiently save your work with the Save shortcut. In Microsoft Word, some actions are frequently repeated, such as copying, pasting, and saving. Typically, you would have to click through menus to perform these actions, but keyboard shortcuts provide a quicker alternative. If you'd like to follow along with the instructions, download the Start file included in this module. Open it in Word and click Enable Editing to get started. The Copy shortcut copies a section of text to the clipboard, a place where you can temporarily save items you copy to reuse later. This is useful if you want to reuse text elsewhere without retyping it. Scroll down to the second page of the Start file. On this page, the recipe elements aren't organized very well. You will organize the recipe document by copying these elements into the table on the first page. To start, select the ingredient list. Place your cursor at the bottom of the list after the word chips, then click and drag to the top of the list. The list should now be highlighted in gray. On your keyboard, press Ctrl-C. This copies the text you selected to the clipboard. Now scroll up and place your cursor in the ingredients box and press Ctrl-V on your keyboard. This pastes the text you copied into the box. When you paste items into a document, the Paste Options drop-down menu appears at the end of the content you pasted. Click on the drop-down arrow. This opens a menu of different paste options you can use. The first option is Keep Source Formatting, which is selected by default. This option preserves the original formatting of the item you copied, so if you copied text that was in a different font, it would keep that font instead of changing it to match your document's style. The next option is Merge Formatting, which changes the formatting of the item you copied to match your document style, while retaining basic formatting such as bold or italics. The Picture option inserts a picture of the copied content. This is useful when you want to preserve the exact visual layout of the original content, but this option does not allow you to edit the text. Finally, Keep Text Only removes all formatting and non-text elements, and pastes only plain text that matches your document style. Select the Merge Formatting option. This changes the text formatting to double spacing to fit better in the Ingredients section. Follow the same steps to add the list of instructions in the Directions section of the table. The Cut shortcut works similarly to the Copy shortcut, but unlike the Copy shortcut, the Cut shortcut removes the items you select from their current location and stores them in the clipboard until you paste them. To see it in action, scroll down and select the text 2 cookies, then press Ctrl-X on your keyboard and the text disappears. Scroll up to the table, place your cursor in the serving size box, and press Ctrl-V. This pastes the text you cut into the table. Follow the same steps to cut the text 30 minutes and paste it into the Estimated Prep Time box. The Undo shortcut allows you to undo the most recent edit or change you made. To try it out, select the picture of the cookies. Press Ctrl-X and place your cursor in the blank box at the bottom of the table. Press Ctrl-V twice and the image is inserted into the box twice. You only need one picture, so press Ctrl-Z to undo the last action, and one of the pictures disappears. If you accidentally undo too many actions, you can press Ctrl-Y to redo the action. The Save shortcut is a quick way to preserve all the changes you make to a document so that when you open it again, those changes are still there. To use this shortcut, press Ctrl-S. Since you've downloaded this document, it is already saved on your computer, so that it will save the changes to the existing file. If you haven't saved a document previously when you use this shortcut, you will be taken to the Save menu, where you can select a location to save the document. Make sure to use this shortcut frequently to avoid losing any of your work. In this video, you organized a document with the cut, copy, and paste shortcuts, undid the most recent changes with the undo shortcut, and preserved changes with the save shortcut. For more information about Microsoft Word and other computer literacy topics, visit our website at weaver.edu/clc.